Pete, first rule of a good follow-up, don't just resend the email. So, coffee's fresh. Let me tell you what we didn't get to. You place people for a living, so let's talk about your recruiters because that's where a clone earns its keep. A recruiter's clone remembers every candidate conversation, every client rec, every "no, not that role," and it carries that forward. Not a fresh context window every morning. Here's one nobody mentioned: business development. You called it your biggest hurdle. A BD clone can run outreach, remember which accounts you've placed at, and never pitch a company your margin data says is already yours. Your intelligence, scoped, governed, working the pipeline. And the thing that'd make Peter smile as your ops guy, it's multiplayer. One clone can text a candidate, join a meeting, update the ATS, and hand off to another clone. Your whole team, one execution layer, instead of everyone quietly running their own private setup. And no, you don't rebuild anything. 21 years of placements, all your skills, they come in as is. I would never make a man who voluntarily lives in MD files start over. I respect the craft too much. The video you wanted to see? This is it. My clone made it, start to finish. When you and Peter are ready, put Scott on a live demo. That's the part that really lands. Beach first though. CloneMe. Human-centered. Clone-powered. Talk soon, Pete.